Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Let's learn A to C construction vehicle names. A is for asphalt. This is asphalt. B is for bulldozer. This is bulldozer. C is for traveler crane. This is traveler crane. D is for dump truck. This is dump truck. E is for excavator. This is excavator. F is for forklift. This is forklift. G is for grader. This is grader. H is for hydraulic hammer. This is hydraulic hammer. I is for impact crusher. This is impact crusher. J is for jaw crusher. This is jaw crusher. K is for knuckle boom crane. This is knuckle boom crane. L is for low-boy trailer. This is low-boy trailer. M is for mobile crane. This is mobile crane. N is for narrow track loader. This is narrow track loader. O is for overhead crane. This is overhead crane. P is for pile driver. This is pile driver. Q is for quarry dump truck. This is quarry dump truck. R is for road roller. This is road roller. S is for skid steer loader. This is skid steer loader. T is for track loader. This is track loader. U is for underground mining truck. This is underground mining truck. V is for vibratory compactor. This is vibratory compactor. W is for wheel loader. This is wheel loader. X is for XCMG excavator. This is XCMG excavator. Y is for yard truck. This is yard truck. Z is for zoom boom. This is zoom boom. Thanks for watching, kids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, cuties.